Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've waited for. You've been searching in the dark, your sweat soaking through the floor. And buried in your bones, there's an ache that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, stealing your mind, and all that was real is left behind. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't care what comes after. Your fever dream, can't you see, getting closer. Just surrender, cause you feel the feeling taking over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's flooding open. It's the preacher and the pulpit and your blind devotion. There's something breaking at the brick of every wall that's holding all that you know. So tell me, do you wanna go where it's covered in all the colored lights, where the runaways are running the night? Impossible comes true, it's taking over you. This is the greatest show. We light it up, we won't come down, and the sun can't stop us now. Watching it come true, it's taking over you. This is the greatest show. Colossal we come, these renegades in the ring, where the lost get found and we crown them the circus kings. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't care what comes after. It's finding out, shining anything that you know. Just surrender, cause you're coming and you wanna go where it's covered in all the colored lights, where the runaways are running the night. Impossible comes true, intoxicating you. This is the greatest show. We light it up, we won't come down, and the sun can't stop us now. Watching it come true, it's taking over you. This is the greatest show. Where it's covered in all the colored lights, where the runaways are running the night. Impossible comes true, it's taking over you. This is the greatest show. We light it up, we won't come down, and the walls can't stop us now. Watching it come true, it's taking over you.
Introducing the unmistakable Cadillac XT4. With inspired touches everywhere. The Sport Mesh Grille featuring the Cadillac emblem. A more spirited driving experience with the all-new 2-liter turbo with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Master the road with available all-wheel drive. When the road gives you its worst, the twin-clutch all-wheel drive gives you sure-footed performance. Interior styling for every personality. Available hand-stitched leather, real wood, aluminum, and carbon fiber details. Best in class, second row legroom. My favorite. Every seat is first class in the XT4, and the Cadillac signature way to shine LED headlamps and tail lamps stand out in the dark for safety and visibility. This is the unmistakable Cadillac XT4.